Hello everybody, this is Mr. Bowen. So today we're going to be looking at the ALEKS topic, a word problem involving the areas between two rectangles. So this one's a little weird to wrap your head around sometimes, but it's not actually all that bad to solve after you see what you're doing. So we have a rectangular garden that measures 34 by 64 feet. Surrounding and bordering the garden is a path that's 2 feet wide. Find the area of this path and be sure to include the correct units in your answer. So let's see what we know. I know I have a garden. Okay. Remember, it doesn't have to be this scale. Okay. But I know that this garden is 34 feet by 64 feet. Good. Put that on all the sides there. And I have a walkway, okay, a path as it is. It's 2 feet wide, so let's figure out how big that is. I know it's going to be around this whole thing, like a viewing walkway for you to get around without walking in the flowers or something, I suppose. But I know it's 2 feet wide, so this is, say, 2 feet, right? So that's 2 feet, and this is 2 feet. How far is it all the way across? Well, this is 34 feet, right? So, and then it's 2 on here and 2 on here for a total of 38 feet. Okay, so I'm just adding those extra 2 feet on each side for a total of 4 feet. And the same way for the length. So this is 64 plus 2 plus 2, so that's 68 feet. Okay. So to find the area of this, because I'm looking for this, right, just this squiggly bit. I'm trying to figure out how big that path is. All I need to do is find the area of this big one, and I'm going to subtract out the area of the garden, and that leftover bit is going to help me find the whole thing. So the area of my blue section here is 38 times 68. Okay. Then I'm also going to be looking for the area of my garden. If we want to label things, we can do that too. Okay. And that's 34 times 64. Okay. So after we find those, I just need to subtract the two, and I will be able to figure that out. So let's grab my calculator here. So 38 times 68. You're also welcome to do this by hand if you feel so inclined, but I don't see any reason to. So 2584. Then I also have 34 times 64 for my smaller one, which is 2176. And I just need to subtract these now, and I should get my area of my path. So minus 2584 minus 2176 comes out to 408. Okay, and just make sure we get this right. We are talking about areas, so both of these were feet squared because they were areas. So when I subtract, I'm going to have feet squared. So 408 feet squared.